Merry Christmas everyone. When I go out and look for any new Christmas decorative stuffs, I was so disappointed. Shops and houses are like covered in CLSet RGB strips, lasers and whatnot. Who wouldn't want a change? So I decided to build a projector. Which can project video? No. Project image whichever we upload? No. Then what is it am I making? Some sort of projector from 80s? Exactly. I could have built a real new tech projector with a 4K micropixel LCD screen and a 90-watt LED as a backlight. But believe me, that's gonna both cost a lot of money and won't be that simple. What I'm gonna build today is way simple that even a 5-year-old kid can do it. And you can trust me, it won't be a total disappointment. So let's get into it. The basic principle of a projector is way simple than we think. All you need is a convex lens, aka magnifying lens, a light source and a screen to display. Here I am taking a magnifying lens and flashing the torch through it. By adjusting the distance between the torch lens and the screen, I got a clear image of inside of the torch and the LED inside. And that's all you need to know about the projector. If you put an image in front of the torch instead of projecting the inside of the torch, it projects the image.
W3000.
Using paper as image is a bad idea because it makes the projection a lot dimmer. So I used transparent plastic as a frame and decided to draw a snowman using glass paint and some black paint to give more details. And I stick the plastic to a hardboard frame to give it some rigidity. And if you could paint the whole frame in black so that unwanted lights won't make it to the lens. The size of the image is very crucial, otherwise a large portion of the image will not be displayed. So I tried to make it small as possible. I'm not going to talk about the dimensions of the image because it varies with the lens. For the light source, I'm using a light bulb of 9 watts. I did try to use a more powerful bulb, but due to its heat, the glass pane starts to melt. So it won't be a good idea to use more powerful bulb. I used a cone shape made out of aluminum foil to connect the image and bulb. I first glued the cone with hot glue at both ends, but later I changed it to a more modular form. At the image end, I glued a pocket to insert the image, and at the bulb end, I tied some rubber bands so it's easy to replace bulb. Now the only thing remained to build is the body. For the body, I used long cardboard as I have to adjust the distance between image and lens. I glued the lens on one end of the box, also give it a small shade to make it look cute. The image, which is the cone and the bulb, have to move as we have to adjust the space between the lens and the image. So I glued a holder for the bulb in another box smaller than the outer box. So when I connect the bulb into the holder, it will be in a position where you can slide the inner box to adjust the gap. And that's pretty much it. It will be a little boring if we project only one image, so I decided to make 2 more. In the first one, I took a clear plastic and painted it all black. Then I scratched off the paint to draw a snowflake. This method can be used to project an image with only black and white in it. In the second one, I took a clear plastic frame and covered one surface in glue. The reason why I did that is if you're going to draw anything in a pure plastic with sketch or pen, it won't work. But the glue gave an adhesive layer in which you can draw as if it is paper. Glue should be transparent, and now all you need to do is to take that image and insert into the pocket. Making this project was so fun for me, and that's what Christmas means. You shouldn't decorate your home because others does it or to show off. Decoration don't have to be this heavy and complex. It can be simple as this projector. What really counts is that you and your family making a memorable and happy moment. I wish you all Merry Christmas. Bye.